I took this 4-year-old 2021 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE for a 3-day test drive, and I am absolutely blown away with my findings. In this video, you're going to learn about how the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid in general ages or wears over time, because in this video, I took it for a 3-day test drive and looked at many different variables with regards to this hybrid all-wheel drive SUV. For example, how the hybrid powertrain system responds, how it transitions from non-hybrid to hybrid or vice versa, and what the battery life is still like after 4 years and nearly 100,000 kilometers of use of that high voltage hybrid battery that powers your hybrid powertrain system. Now, before I hop in and go on this test drive to show you what I'm talking about, let's take a step back and take a look at the overall aesthetics and how the age of this RAV4 hybrid shows or doesn't show. In my opinion, it still looks very up to date. It still looks very relatable to what is currently on the road for 2025 and 2026 vehicles from both Toyota and other manufacturers. The paint has held up very well. This is the Blizzard Pearl White paint. You can see here that quality of finish, and sometimes what will happen is on white, after a few years, you can see, a little bit of a break in between, metal panels and plastic panels, because sometimes the plastic panels will start to discolor, but not here, not on this Toyota RAV4. Take a look at that. That bumper is plastic, of course, and the fender is not. And you can see there, still a really good finish. In my opinion, very good. I really am pleased with this kind of paintwork. But let's take a look at the overall design, guys. Really, this looks like the current 2025 Toyota RAV4. And if you don't really know your RAV4 product, as well as, let's say, someone like myself, you wouldn't even know this is an older model. The only difference, really, is these alloy wheels, which got changed and updated to these in 2022, as well as the fog light housing that got updated, and the headlamps themselves. They are now looking like this on the current 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This all changed in 2022, but other than that, very up to date. All right, so I've been driving this 2021 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE for the past couple of days, and as I mentioned, these were my findings. So in terms of reliability on the overall build quality, the wear, the tear, the finish, I'm incredibly pleased because I don't see anything that is necessarily wrong with how this Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE from 4 years ago is aging. Wow, it is very sunny. Gonna have to put the shades on, guys. I hope you don't mind. So I'm very pleased with the Softex interior, the high finish, high gloss black finish trim on the exterior, alloy wheels, etc. Now, in terms of the infotainment system, it still does the job. It still works. It's not overly flashy. The technology, you can tell it is a bit aged. It's from 4-5 years ago. The later Toyota multimedias are all wireless, and they also do have the optically bonded glass, giving you super HD resolution. And when it comes to overall fuel economy, I'm incredibly impressed because this particular RAV4 has nearly 100,000 kilometers on it, and it's averaging a 6.3 liters per 100 combined fuel economy city and highway, which is very impressive. Another topic that I'm very happy about is the smooth transition from combustion engine to hybrid powertrain system or electric motor. and also the regenerative braking. So this Toyota RAV4 hybrid has the hybrid synergy drive. The newest Toyota RAV4 hybrids will have the 5th generation hybrid powertrain system and the 6th generation hybrid powertrain system on the PHEV plug-in hybrids. But I'm very pleased because what's supposed to happen is as you're gradually getting to your anticipated speed, let's say, and you're not forcefully accelerating, you're supposed to be in that eco band, or eco power band, I should say, which is the hybrid powertrain system. Once you floor it and heavily press the gas, then you will yield and go over to the combustion engine and then back down again to the eco mode or eco powertrain system, which is your hybrid synergy drive. And as you're coasting, as you're decelerating or braking, the hybrid powertrain system and the technology is supposed to be using regenerative braking, which it is doing flawlessly. And actually, as you can see right now on the energy monitor from this Toyota RAV4 hybrid, the high voltage battery is almost at 100%, probably around 80-90%, which is definitely ideal and optimal to ensure a smooth transition and amazing fuel economy. So in a nutshell, I've seen a lot of viewers on my channel on anything hybrid related. There's always one commenter that says something about the hybrid high voltage battery or any possible concerns after a few years of use. There is absolutely no degradation on this particular Toyota RAV4, and I'm sure many others as well. Now, this Toyota RAV4 is an XSE, so it has the sport-tuned suspension, and in terms of the performance, handling, and the overall smoothness, responsiveness of the drive, I'm still very pleased with it. There's no odd rattles, squeaks, or noises that you shouldn't really hear in a Toyota RAV4. In summary, this 4-year-old, nearly 100,000 kilometer driven RAV4 hybrid is still very supportive in any kind of driving style that you might have. And in terms of the interior fit and finish, in terms of how it is aging or wearing down, the entire interior is still intact, flawless, with no loose pieces, parts, any oversized gaps. There's nothing of that nature. It is holding together and aging very well. And this is a perfect value proposition for anyone looking for a fuel-efficient, all-wheel drive compact SUV in the pre-owned or used market. And I'm about to hop inside and you'll see exactly why that is. Well, everyone, there you have it. Very hard to beat the type of value and precision that was put in to the build of these Toyota RAV4 hybrids. They make a perfect pre-owned vehicle and a definitely perfect new vehicle, whether you're in the market for new or used. This is a fantastic option. Everything works as it should. It's reliable, efficient, and really it still feels modern from what we currently have on the 2025 Toyota RAV4 hybrid. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and review. Thank you to LastFit for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check them out in the link below. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.